And with Gunda, she's post-reproductive, and with Sooky, her breeding window has kind of come and gone. We're not actively pursuing breeding with either one of these two, but they still serve a critically important role. You can see what Jessica and Sabrina before her, they just asked them for a big mouth, and that's just a simple behavior to kind of look into their mouth to make sure that everything looks normal. You can get a good look at the tongue that way. Depending on the elephant, depending on the day, sometimes you can see their large molars that they have in the back of their mouth. They do have teeth. That's what their touches or tusks are, or modified teeth. But then they also have large molars, one in every corner of the mouth as well. They use those for chewing and grinding, and they're actually about the size of a brick. So they're really big, and our wonderful volunteer back here actually has a mold of a tooth right there. That's the molar. So that's kind of a life-size image of one from an adult, obviously. So, as you might imagine, when you talk about elephants, it's pretty important that you work closely with them and that you try to maintain a good working relationship as much as possible. There are days where they're more motivated than others. Sometimes they plays a few challenges for us this time of year. But we like to look them over from head to toe each day just to make sure there's nothing abnormal with them and that they're acting, moving, behaving as normal. So it's helpful to get them to present different body parts, whether it's feet, like you saw earlier, opening their mouth, coming down to our level so that we can look them over on the back side. Jessica right here is kind of manipulating Gunda around. She asked her to lean in, and this is nice just so that we can, again, position her accordingly to meet whatever it is that we need to do from them.